Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Log into SSO and ensure your account is linked to the game because authentication gates the grotto. Once done, open the map and set a waypoint to the Ancient Grotto entrance coordinates. This saves time. Make sure you equip a reliable light source, climbing gear, and at least one healing item so you can handle hazards immediately. Move toward the hub exit without detours, keeping map waypoints visible so you don't lose the trail. Once en route, focus on navigation and hazard control. Follow the marked path across the stone bridge, then descend the 3 terraces in order to avoid unstable ground. Use your lantern to reveal phantom obstacles and hidden tripwires, and time your jumps to clear pressure traps safely. When you reach narrow passages, deploy rope anchors at regular intervals, every 20 to 30 meters, to secure your descent. Maintain a steady pace, and check your map periodically so you don't drift. Approach the final gate and focus on the rune puzzle. Align symbols so they match the entrance glyph pattern, because correct alignment unlocks the mechanism. When the lights align, push the central slab and enter. Immediately proceed left to reach the main grotto vault where objectives sit. If the entrance stays locked, try one quick fix. Reset your SSO session and re-trigger the altar sequence from the map. This refresh often clears sync errors. If that fails, retrace steps and check anchors and lantern power levels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.